Hey everyone! Exciting news from Hamster Kombat on June 6th. They announced that the upcoming airdrop will be based on your profit per hour and other activity parameters, not just your coin balance. This revelation has sent CEOs into a frenzy, sparking various interpretations of what this could mean. Now, there's another crucial piece of information circulating that you need to know. While your profit per hour is the primary basis for the token launch, your coin balance must match your current level at the time of launch. For example, to reach the master level, you'll need to have 50 million coins in your dashboard. So, while you're focusing on buying cards to boost your profit per hour, don't forget to maintain a balance of 50 million coins during the launch. Spend wisely. To summarize, if you're at level 9, you need around 100 million coins to be eligible for the launch because that was the requirement when you reached level 9. I discussed this in a video yesterday, outlining 4 parameters you should consider alongside your profit per hour to ensure eligibility for the Hamster Kombat token launch. Now, here's some advice. Before diving deeper into Hamster Kombat, let me show you exactly what you need to do to be eligible based on the latest information. First, I can't confirm the absolute accuracy of this information, but it does make sense. Hamster Kombat frequently advises to play wisely and spend wisely. This mantra appears in their tweets and posts related to profit per hour. Large projects like these aren't always my favorite, especially when there's a massive number of participants in an airdrop pool. It becomes challenging for the project to succeed. For example, with over 150 million users, launching a token can lead to an initial sell-off, causing the token's value to crash. That's why Hamster Kombat might be delaying their launch. They need a strategy to control the airdrop distribution to ensure the project's stability. For a crypto project to thrive, there must be ongoing buying, selling, and speculation. If people are only interested in selling the token for quick cash, the project is doomed. Hamster Kombat aims to prevent this by implementing thoughtful metrics. So, how can you increase your eligibility for the token launch? Let's dive into the Hamster Kombat dashboard. Here, you can see my coin balance is 39.7 million. I'm currently at the legendary level and need to reach 50 million coins to advance. While increasing my profit per hour is crucial, maintaining the appropriate coin balance is equally important. For example, if you're at level 7, you should have at least 50 million coins. Therefore, I'm focused on reaching this milestone before using additional coins to boost my profit per hour. Once I reach the next level, I can start accumulating coins to move from Master to Grandmaster and beyond. Now, about those activity parameters. Hamster Kombat has been quiet about the specifics for the past 2 weeks. However, from my experience with other projects, I recommend you complete all tasks, unlock all cards, invite friends, connect your accounts, and more. Ensure you're covering all bases so you won't miss out on any activity parameters they might introduce. To increase your eligibility for the Hamster Kombat token airdrop, follow these essential steps. 1. Link your TON wallet. First things first, link your TON wallet to the Hamster Kombat bot. This task went live on June 8th and is a crucial step to get started. You can use popular wallets like TON Wallet or Tonkeeper. Linking your wallet not only ensures you're in the loop for the airdrop but also secures your earnings and progress within the game. 2. Join the official Telegram channel. Stay informed and ahead of the game by joining the official Hamster Kombat Telegram channel. This is where developers announce new tasks and provide updates. Being part of this community keeps you updated on all the latest developments and gives you a platform to connect with fellow players. 3. Complete additional tasks. As the airdrop approaches, more tasks will be revealed in the airdrop section of the Hamster Kombat bot. Make sure to check this section regularly and complete any tasks as soon as they become available. Each completed task increases your chances of receiving more HMSTR tokens. 4. Boost your in-game earnings. Maximize your in-game earnings by upgrading your cards and utilizing features like Daily Combo and Daily Cipher. These upgrades are crucial for accumulating more HMSTR tokens. The more tokens you have, the better your position when the token launches. Focus on strategic upgrades that provide the best return on investment. 5. Excel as a CEO. Participate regularly in the game and aim to excel as the CEO of your virtual crypto exchange. The more you play and make strategic decisions, the more HMSTR tokens you can earn. This roleplay aspect not only makes the game more immersive but also offers substantial rewards for those who can master the art of virtual trading and management. 6. Complete daily missions and quests. Don't miss out on daily missions and quests. These provide fantastic opportunities to earn up to 5 million HMSTR coins by investing in specific upgrades. Daily missions are a great way to ensure a steady flow of income and keep you engaged with the game on a regular basis. 7. Engage with the community. Engaging with the Hamster Kombat community through social media and forums can provide valuable insights and tips. Sharing your experiences and strategies can help you learn new ways to optimize your gameplay and stay updated on the latest game trends and strategies. 8. Optimize your gameplay. Focus on optimizing your gameplay by planning your upgrades and investments wisely. Analyze which upgrades give you the best returns and how you can leverage your resources to maximize your profit per hour. Strategic planning and efficient resource management are key to excelling in Hamster Kombat. 9. Stay consistent. Consistency is key. Regular participation and staying active in the game ensure that you don't miss out on any opportunities to earn tokens. Set aside time each day to complete tasks, missions, and check for new updates or tasks. By following these steps, linking your wallet, staying engaged with the community, completing tasks, optimizing your gameplay, and maintaining consistency, you can significantly increase your chances of receiving HMSTR tokens through the airdrop when the Hamster Kombat token launches in July. Stay proactive, and make the most of every opportunity to ensure you're at the forefront of this exciting launch. For more details, tips, and updates on Hamster Kombat and other exciting crypto projects, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new content. Stay informed, stay ahead, and let's conquer the crypto world together.